hate NDC. I don't hate them, but I can't pretend to be stupid. What did I say? Foolish girl now. NDC for the quarter border so stupid as showing you know see a friend and Sansano. And now I can say girl no are creating fake accounts be called marriage attack.
I was Dr. Sansani asem eba room say Afia Schwar din ka be kan bi. Obema ne nte ho. Afia Schwar din ka be te ne nte ho. Ebebo gumbi ene so comment. Awa go be chire me say answers the kwa na oye ne ex friend. He say oye ne friend. Answers the ko ni ura kwan boni bi mu. Say na scam ne ma oye no ka. O twe onu Afia edna uram ama Afia etwe ne ho. That was ya. Baby, I never do the Afia Schwar nigga as about one tribute. After say a free for Enra, ebe expose kwanya. Answer sadali, any Kevin Taylor, efforts to a fake pregnancy. Eddie a bully among for this camera video muscan. Afia Schwar abebo gumbi any supermarket na ensemble Afia Schwar abekebi. Ama other TikTokers so I join a thread fire Kevin na Kobedi Taylor. I have Penyah block media. Let's say any day. Over like video now that one. Over subscribe to the channel, click on the notification and the latest updates. I'm better watching their mama. Ewo comments as much as possible. No she video more for so any be ashe. 80 enra. And for the records a free fa. Eba live. Eno be chire mu. E kwan ya che say answer sadali no. Offers to scam Femi the Nigerian billionaire with fake pregnancy. I said in a video no, you could hear answer sadali. Oh, I don't need cars, I don't need that, but well, any support that you can get, I need cars urgently near the day.
I have 8-9 days more for this baby to be induced. I've not had a decent communication with you for close to 2 months. And anytime that I get a response from you, or anytime I get a small message from you or a short message from you, is when you wire money and I don't receive it on time, or you wire money and I communicate with you about it. It's not all about money. Life is not always about money. Yes, I need money. Yes, I need all the help that I can get. Yes, I need a car urgently. But sometimes showing concern, showing some care does help more than money could ever do. This baby is going to be induced on the 28th of this month, which is less than 2 weeks. Ask why this is happening. You're not. What is really going on? You've not picked up your phone to call and text. Hey, why is this baby coming earlier than its term? I have gone through a whole lot of emotional trauma. I've done this by myself. You cannot say you did this with me because you supported me when I needed money. You cannot say that. This is a pregnancy. If anybody were doing this to your kid, I don't think you'd be happy about it. But I think it's the punishment from God for dating a married man, I think. And I've always asked God for forgiveness. I hope he forgives me. This baby is a bastard. I've accepted it. It's a shame to my family. I know my mother is torn, but she can't say much.
What I say? Oh, Katasha say, oh, I don't need your money. I don't. But all of a sudden, oh, yeah, I need money. I need cars urgently. Cars, no, car, no, or the urgently. As a car. Or the urgently, what's as a car? She need car urgently. Hey, as I tell you, Emma and Rakronano, it was ya, Felix Fuzukache, presidential staffer for communication information. Ebeka said, answers to that, the allegation said, or claim said, now Mahama, personal physician, said there on the 10th of December 2024, to be or Mahama, congratulations message, hey, Muno cancer with Mahama personal physician. The allegation, Felix Fuzukache debunked that. Claim said it is not true. It is false allegation from her.
Washa, Abaya can as one call inauguration. They won't call because at that time he had her nomination been revoked. Yes. Documents let's say, na enya appointment the man who cannot sign Ikitanos Abel. It's an crash as I buy no to one more and son as some no. Ebetobia. Sabi, or my ye will so Yansa Niba Futi. It is a what's BB now to say, so what you are by Adrianaswa. Yebeti, now you to one. I think it's a better way to serve people. Since Obayaso Brache say, Adazidia Beto say, when you are also mean to one. President Mahama wants to.
But Mr. Direct question.
Yeah.
Was she ever the physician to President John Mahama? Because it's on social media. John Mahama, the physician.
Sebi, any BBN source.
Right.
The beginning said you have the capacity to verify information.
Right.
President Mahama, mini physician. I on an anti several years. Oh yeah, Dr. Penyah won in Japan. About we on men, President Mahama, baby. See, and you know, credit. So, in fact, sir, we no cry no. If you no cry, I say fake crap. That it was any people na agent. I don't know.
MPP for no shared all over the place.
MPP there
exactly.
You can't share.
Sometimes we clear there, man.
And I'm say you can't fake news. I want to they have factories that produce fake news. So I must say so. And you have a TBR. And yes, I what say that's Abraham Macrasso. I can tell you an authority on your President physician. President physician, he's been there for many years. Or here you won't be a highly qualified medical practitioner. Oh no, on the President long before he even became president.
What I say? But Felix was quite as one kind of there. Madam, I said and see me three more. Let me answer me because I can't post it this particular year. A answers there in our account.
Felix of Fusuka is young day. Madam, my go on a court show side. December 10th for court show at the 2 the Facebook page. I don't know how to demand all. Right now, look at the chief finance. Namia Buana Mani Yansa Mani a Jumana or in journalism now in Tiasia. Kageo is saying, you can nip over Kumu Krumani in the packet. I've been always on or don't know again like Mahama personal physician Bia now on Bem Massa. As same we are man come make us assembly. Koda Ramade, moment and I'm a movie dramas, might be a pressing on my times and anybody to Kruma. They only can't ask me now, okay? Next year was a fake doctor. Massa, maybe a pretty here about Monquachino, Monconam, all the means to mention. I did here. Part the Changa, Mohammed in a 110 Pardon, come much heavy. Obia, yet, the Yamana and Yamana some say. At the Ghana, Jumagro, at that by a president in one. I'm an appointment. Say on your doctor. Look at what you go on our way press conference. No, I can't see. Maybe Yamon what you get. Then I check. Somebody watching right now. Somebody doesn't go in some female cells or demo. Young dream. When you know Guasan, when you know Guasan, she won't let a
Felix of Fusukache, NDC community, Minister of Information, who said one information. Felix of Fusukache, yes, true. Felix, yes, true. As some way and Piama, and Kauma Mekase, Sa fake doctor we now on President Mahama doctors are no motion, yes, true. Lady way, Tama President Mahama Rini, President, or be congratulating and say, well, at the Benna, he was happy, say, or can't doctor's team no, and Momoshe, President Mahama, Yempesa, Felix Fusukache. Don't come and lie to us, Felix. Maybe Kagana front true. Na lady no can President Mahama, doctors for na share President Mahama, get a numuton. Gay in Sema ma, and Felix Fusukache, Kababe Kadi okay. Hey, politics,
and Felix Fusukache say a faker, a day. Anna, on what basis and on what grounds? And a Mukunya Sansa Delhi, Eman Beka, Health Insurance Authority for board no Obeka will be a year there. A year there, Cobbles and Kunyan as doctor, Emma Beka will be. Medium means symmetry, medium symmetry. But I got canoe cracker, then symmetry. What I say, is anyone there? And several banana a chocolate with a free finance posse any other day. There was a new no anna. Afia Schwar nigga, as a bogumbi, and also comment by a call. Answers the James answers the or your Cronfuo teacher was I tell you, young Casa girlfriend, Barney, answer I tell you wife, Casana.
Obviously, why do you hate NDC? I don't hate them, but I can't pretend to be stupid. What did I say? I don't hate NDC, but me, I can't pretend to be. I am too smart, I can't act stupid. Anything I mean, NDC for us, because NDC for you have to be stupid to fit in. If you are too smart, they see you as a threat. I don't hate them, but I can't act stupid. I'm too smart. My brain will not allow that. NDC, so if you don't act stupid, you can't fit in. So I don't hate them, but I can't pretend to be stupid. It's too much for me. What did the message say? I have too much responsibility. NPP, wisdom. Shanano de Baumiaye. Miss what will no teleprompter. Eh, Baumian Sunday, the Nabi be mammy, the uncle, maybe you. I come at all the whole country. How many eyes and the magic? Shabba, what's now? Shabba, Miss Lori didn't wear say. Tiba Papa and the panties. Oh, until my mind is then attractive to me. Imagine when this near her and this mean as I'm judging it to me and minister. It's an insult to all the intelligent people there. Like, you heard this Munino, Sam George Netinia communication minister. It's an insult to all the intellectuals in the party. Such a damning insult. And people from agyimifuo got to baby. Foolish girl now. And this is for the quarter border. So stupid as showing you know, see a friend and Sansano. And now I can say, girl, who are creating fake accounts, be called Marijata. And yes, accounts, Nekeke. Kwasi about way creating accounts and your friend say I tell my mind, so I tell the end. Now what you kwasi about way showing you about way. I creating fake accounts. And all did matter. I should have known. Because Nipa would can introduce and mommy no. Or no so fake accounts. Gloria, on the cutie juice. Or no Gloria, no the cutie juice. I can't afford so in Nigeria. They didn't abuse your phone. You have to go have a cherry. Now that for the area the check and kind. And this stupid bitch. A creative fake account or did matem. Or we no suffer chile. Ever farmer down for. Oh, you see me. I didn't quite say assembly. When you must have my sister wake at me. Or catch me account, you know. Miss Bell by the whole America. And only Miss Bell the creative Miss Bell. And they behind the account. Not of one until many girl wage are grown, you know. Many the started see a grown. Now accounts ne jam me attacking. Many girl wage are grown, you know. Now accounts ne attacking me. Such a stupid girl. So for by agyimifuo. Now warn him. And the enemy started here. You ever started with ne papa and ne sisters, you know. I me person celebrate is already the matter move. I know the papa person about social media because I suffer. Ne or the ne papa NGO. Sa stupid doctor yo. Or papa NGO. Or the NGO no so different they are before. What they are trying? You have started a real series on here. That girl now pumping the two pumping the slap pumping and then two. Why a Akronfuo will be and Sansa? Why a Akronfuo will be? Why a Akronfuo to bottom me? Why a Akronfuo will be? Sagel. What papa ya suffer? What papa want you? What your papa do when they walk chrono? And just as she has created fake account attacking celebrities and their children and their mothers, we are coming after her family. Or your Akronfuo papa. Na nipa na wedding wo Jubilee House no so no. Ochira yebodi adekokobia bukodi actually. Why is she not arrested? Ask Julius Zebra, don't ask me. Ask Julius Zebra, don't ask me. Why is she not arrested? Ask Julius Zebra and ask Bolare. Ask Bolare because Bolare na didn't call to TV so. I picked the phone and I called Bola and I told Bola, and ask Julius Zebra why Anne is not arrested. Julius Zebra is the right person to give you that answer. I have told you. Me and my friend Bola say Bola, the bitch on the TV wanted doctor. Or your madam for and me him say why you Akronfuo to bottom me. Sansenya no kura ba kukura ni na num. And Dr. Bolare ko ka che Dr. Anne. Say me see why you Akronfuo. Now why you Akronfuo? And yama why is it actually we apply a tip of the eyes. But why is Anne not in jail Why has the police not invited Andy Sansa? That question you people should ask Dr. Julius Debra, because Julius Debra is the right person to tell Ghanaians. When Ghanaians think they are redeeming NDC from slave queens. Mama said Julius Debra said the 18 year and Julius Debra, my body namo, Musano. And Sansa, Muriel and the color said, you know, you will be artist, you will be aspect, you will be aspect, you will be aspect. When I must study and I must study Vivian John, I won't come home. When I am mass, most just say they are mathematics. That was a crap when you said they see the one class one. I know my people are heading in it. Monya mathematics, no. Is that me the more go school? Monya mass, no was a papa. I said, you can't see one son and out to one and Sansa. Mofan tour, now for Vivian John tour, now when your combination of watching I have a twice. I was I have a partner speaker. They are very, very close. Dr. Juju and Dr. Ann, they are very close. Chigel no tom, Monchigel no tom, Mosa Monchigel and Dia. Modia Ghana for so Monchi Dr. Anna, Monchaki Dr. Vivian John, now Monchaki Dr. Ann. Now one say almost speaking it to say color no, height no, and then so no for no. You have a tassel. Munya homework in the year. Homework is with Mamma no man, you know. Mom for calculator and to tunka, and do my dear mammy. Mamma calculator and near do. Mom for picture, mom for doctor see me no picture no to her. Now when you comparison on the spec, on the color, on everything, or Chila, come back with what you found.
Now TikTok and phone so I come out and check Kevin. I cover the tailor.
And I'm this school for them. I was certificate in a day and a demo. I was certificate in a day and day. What was the schools of us also? I did anywhere baby. I say, ha. Yes, if for training, quantity, year, no, we are. Betty, a booting crack happy. Ah, if I saw you so. And I say, I'm for BBT. Sister, fair, she body, hey, body way. My background did you know when you cry over Jojo? Now, Bema. Now, person, your doctor. Mommy, what's your butcher? You was a bonting. Sister, don't me managing my winning down, my winning yet thing. And you so 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Yes, I found called training you. Now, my dear body crack. Just I will shut them. And I drew maybe I drew some stage here. She say, am I no school? Don't even go be man because I don't get it. I can't fair. Sanka, a whole doctor, and a body gun and me doctor by a big boating and a sunny sunset. Me a boating kakakana at the end of the day, or doctorate, me crowd. Ah, fair. Now, Tigan and me, Prince Muna, I have for real part too. The Munja is social media, my whole family, my body. Hey, there will be another one. If you're a lady, if you're a girl, you understand. You have this beautiful skin, beautiful shape, everything beautiful that is attracting massive people. Let me give you a piece of an advice. Sa beauty, nessa nema na uwoni na u showcase na enkofo enunti na attracting kofo. Emma wunya bibi wa unsamu. Don't misuse it like that. Don't misuse it. Mesra education, baby. Nako baby. Go and do these courses, get certificates, you know. Ma weninda ho. Ubeye de wo ye nyina wo nam street I wo bobrani nyina bi. But you are still doing underground work on yourself. Because it will be very painful to work all your ass off for something. And in the near future, you just have it and within a twinkle of an eye, not cutting because of idea beer with devotee over here. And those of us are, course beer. We'll go back and go check it. So, credentials and that's all. It be a way trap. We cry because uncle certificate. A whole lot. We have to go back there and check because if you don't take care, one day, and Adali asked them where why she also because it's sad. I really wanted this for her. Look look at the nurse or a doctor standing there as our NHR, our digital Ghana. So my piece of advice is, this will sound, so annoying, so all type of way in the ears of some people, but it will sound very important to some of you. Especially I'm speaking to the youth, the young ones now, 18, 20, 30, 16, like you have time and you look beautiful and you did this, your body and all that, and you're looking amazing, and because of that, it's attracting so many things to your personality, to your looks. Then you're sister, you're fast. PBB, certificate B, training for something. A more din so betty me. But say, who was sources no, baby be flabba, be comfortable, betty me a core. Sister, start it so quick because where we are now, make an because that obey president here. Now, for certificate cry, I will say, your mouth BB, but certificate cry wouldn't be. The mobile, I'm a favorite all this time. You want it to go waste. That's a didn't hear this school buy. Didn't hear this and Juma buy. For future preferences, you might not be even using it as a word. But since you have the certificate, they trust you on that. Now, men find your 20 to moon and the Tony bag, a Tony, and more fanny new quao. I said that when you be brew. That's how I serious now. Ope say you take you serious in this life when you be brew. After being in Guasia, look a beautiful lady like this. The way
Hi, Penyah Block Media.